You know it's an addiction when you try to figure out any reason to ride the Ruckus. I'm taking out Ruckus out. Look like it's gonna rain later today, so I might do a rain video as well, driving on the road while the road is wet. I've done it before with the Ruckus. The Ruckus handles it beautifully. Right now my ride is gonna be straight to a fitness park. I'm gonna go train there. Calisthenics is one of my passions. From there I'm gonna go straight to the office, and yeah, see you guys in the field. What's up guys? So I realized that anytime I come to a stop, the camera can pick me up. So the GoPro is pretty good with the helmet on. So I guess I'll talk whenever little wet all over. But it is what it is, you know. We ride rough. So the roads are gonna be wet. Let's do this. So the back road from my office to my home, it's pretty much like 20-25 miles per hour. So the scooter does very well in the back streets. I'm taking the same exact trip as I did at night, if you look at my previous video. So yeah, this is what it looks like during the day on the same exact roads, same exact route. I made a slight detour because there was a lot of traffic to the left lane, so I'm just going around all that traffic. It's windy today, so I'm hoping that the wind actually like blows off some water off the scooter. No workout today. Park was too packed, close. I just don't know if you can hear me or not. But yeah, later today it might be raining, so it looks like it is gonna most likely rain tonight. So I might shoot a Honda Ruckus and driving in rain. Let's see what happens. Peace.